guys, your boy Top Drop, Top Water T, aka Mr. Slay Them Things. Some people use that and overuse the word game changer. But I'm gonna let y'all know, guys, one thing that's a game changer on the lake for me is this right here. See how windy it is? Hurricane Katrina-ish Jr. There, guys. Spotlight keeps me locked, so I can keep on fishing and get it in and slay them things, boy. Put the pigs in the boat, mama. I already put one pickerel in there. This is bad winds, but guess what? I gotta get my fishing in. Damn. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Here's some thug music. It's Top Drop getting them thug pickerel with the thug music. Quit twerking on me, boy. Stop.